years with you, and I've done my graduation, and I'm working as a
Okay, go ahead.
What is on?
I'm getting me right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm not listening you talk.
So, I give you a little bit introduction of mine. I am Muhammad Ehsan. I'm 34 years old, and I've just completed my graduation in biological sciences.
Yes, yes. Yes,
Okay,
yes.
thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Another student, sir.
Another student, Saim.
Saim রে কিন্তু ইউটিউবে দেব আমি।
Hey brother, how are you?
আরেকজন কেন?
I'm fit as you. What about you?
Are you Muslim?
Yes, I am.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. What's your name, lovely boy?
My name is Saim. What's your name?
Saim. My name is Ehsan.
Oh, good name, good name.
Thank you.
My best friend. My best friend. Ratul. You, Mat.
How are you?
How are
I
you?
like also be their friends with them. Hello.
How are you, sir?
Lovely. What about you?
কও পরিচয় দাও।
My name is Ratul. And you?
And my name is Ehsan.
Okay, another.
Okay.
Another.
Another up on color.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
ইউটিউবে দাও।
I am fine, and you?
I'm fit as fiddle.
First of all, my takes about I am a Tanvira Sanapon. I am a class 7. I reading class 7. I am a student. I am a student.
Right. So you are 7th class students and you speak very good English. That's interesting and lovely to hear.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Another student.
Another student.
Thank you.
Student color.
How are you, sir?
ইউটিউবা।
I am fine. How are you?
I am fine. And you?
I am fit as fiddle.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Another student.
Another student.
Color.
তুই কইলে না কইছে কইবে। আমাদের
How are you, sir?
I am fine. What about you?
I'm fine. And you?
আর পরিচয় দিলাম।
I am fine as well. What's your name?
My name is Mahmudul Hasan Siam. Your
Oh,
name?
very good name.
My name is. What's your name?
Another
I am sorry.
Assalamu alaikum.
What
আরে চ্যানেলে দাম বাড়া।
do you do?
Pakistani cricket team, my best cricket team.
Oh, I love your boys as well, Shakib and Mahmood.
Shakib, Mahmudul
Good
and
cricket.
Mushfiq. Little Dash.
Yeah, three are legends. Greatest of all time in cricket.
My best player of Babur Azam from Pakistan.
Okay, thank you very much.
Oh, I am crazy fan of him, man.
Go.
Thank you very much. Nice to meet you.
Okay, I'm very great because you live in Pakistan and I am a school teacher and continuously teaching English because you know English is the most important language all over the world. Yes.
Yes, of course. That was best call of
Yes, my dear student is continuously motivated because my English is continuously trying. That's how I will be smart in English speaker. Okay, thank you very much.
me. That
Assalamu
is
alaikum.
interesting. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.